Menteri Katanat Community and Rural Development CNRD u Bthah Mondal hak arpo artrek yayong ulo ong bakaladon ka jingkio hak bayadei bar ka jingpyniasoh iki job card bar u Aadhaar na kabenta ka jingpyniat bed hak jingpentrekam ya ka scheme Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme MGNREGS hak jela. Ngila kamkio menta habayanu jor bat kasnem baladam wala kata ngindang kenjo siya ka 6% ka jingpyniasoh iki job card baru Aadhaar ong menteri habakren syakilat patay kubor. Kumtaru ngila Bthah iki block development officer BDO bakin kemi benia ababaro ki bayo jingmentoy na ka scheme NREGS kide ban penrong kerteng Aadhaar batru ban penyaso ya u Aadhaar bar ka job card ulaong. Nalor kata u menteri u pentip ru ba omsyam lala ban pelat ya kasong pisah hakipor baladam namar ka jingpulam ban penyaso iki job card bar u Aadhaar. Ngilaya kendo ya shibuan ki jing kumta ngilaya keren bat u menteri rangba ka jela u balat ho sya ka Sorkar India ban pelat no yangi. Ka Sorkar India kala menjur ban pelat yangi hadu arsnam ringkat ka jingbuk por bahadien kani kan amdan syuk kanu ka jing ailat ula benram. Nalor kata ulo ongru bagi don katu kani kibil ya kiba omsyam lala ban shna bat pelat namar kidon ki kerteng jung ki beriu ki bempat penyaso bat u Aadhaar.
We have improved what was there in last year, and we have instructed the BDO to see that the people who wants the benefits should enroll themselves Aadhaar, and then Aadhaar card and job card should be seeded. Else what happened, we face a lot of problems because bills were not released earlier. So we took the liberty of the office of the Honorable Chief Minister, who wrote to the Government of India to exempt us. So we got exemption for 2 years with an ultimatum that henceforth there will be no more exemption. Second thing is that some bills could not be generated because there were names of the people whose Aadhaar was not seated. So those were held back. And now they have, after our continuous insistence with the Government of India, they now agreed to give or release those bills where some other cards were not seated. But after that or henceforth, they will not release any bill of where at least one person is not having Aadhaar card. That bill will be not released. So we we instructed the concerned officers that please look into it, that whichever bills are originated or generated, they should not have anybody who is not having Aadhaar link. Whenever a location is there, and we have already told the BDOs concerned that immediate action should be taken and investigation should be done, inquiry should be done. The field officers were told that before the bill is realized, inquiry should be done to see that the work has been executed or not. If it is executed, then only bill should be made and all these things. After that also there are chances also. If there is chances also, we told the BDOs to initiate the inquiry and submit the report to the DC. Regarding one village like Bhangar Park, that village is under Tigrigila constituency, and the person concerned has, not only in our department, he has a complaint for some other departments also, but whatever it be, this is what told to look into it.